Hello guys, welcome back to All Response, and today we'll be trying to qualify this Hitapp. That's a Cluster V3 Quality Judge. It's a little bit difficult to qualify, but I will try to my best to qualify this Hitapp. And I've got so many responses from all of you who are watching my videos, and that they need help to get it qualified. So let's start with the first article. Okay, so the washer started recounts moments after Jeremy Renner snuck at her running or outside Renner. Second, stories about Jeremy Renner who is injured. Renner's sister gives emotional update as Star says he is too messed up to talk. They are related event. Second, Pelicans versus Rockets. New Orleans regrouping due to injuries. Top five plays from Tuesday's Celtics Thunder game. They are related events. Taliban women can study in gender segregated universities. And next is women. Unlock the world of investing for kids. The power stocks for kids. They are different. They are other. Next story is about internet's a little slower. That's about from Amazon. Kerala only Indian state on New York Times list of 50 places to go in 2023. Oh, that's congratulations to Kerala. And Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani leaves the country. Oh, there are others. Again from Amazon News. Mhm. The Law Times High School Football Player of the Year, Dijon Stanley. And Utah Youth's commit Dijon Stanley named all the times Player of the Year. The other same story, same event. Argentina's Lionel Messi breaks Brazil legend South American men's goal record. Lionel Messi breaks Brazil legend. They are the same thing, same topic. The same event. Keanu Reeves is back and has amnesia and first look at the Matrix Resurrections movie trailer. Trailer for the Matrix Resurrection gives peek at new film. Okay, they are the same ends. The stories are about China. That's Canada's policy in China should be an election issue. The five biggest improvements for Manchester United under a Uber great Eric Dan Hag. There are others. San Diego country health officials report since refining cases of COVID-19, no deaths. COVID-19, nearly 6,000 daily cases, 34 new deaths report in New York. They are related events. Guangzhou in China protest. Okay, the latest demonstrations are unprecedented. So China protest spread reports of clashes with police in Shanghai. And Guangzhou lifts certain COVID restrictions following mass protest.